Hello, this is Mrs. Walker.
And Mr. Igo, and this week we're back starting with rhyming. So the adult will say the two words that rhyme, and then the student will say the two words that rhyme. Black, clack, glad.
Black, clack.
Gotta be careful because they're not always going to be next to each other. Next up, you have the onset and fluency. So the adult's going to say the two words, sleep, slippery, and you will say the beginning blend. So sleep, slippery,
Cool.
client, climber,
Client, climber, coal.
coal. So those are all the blends there. Next up, you're chopping, and this week you are chopping all of those sounds apart. So don't keep the blends together. So the first word that the adult chops is b, o, a,
Black.
black. And on the last part of the first page, you're going to find the middle sound. So all of these are short vowels in the middle. So what's the middle sound in bless?
F.
Middle sound in clock. Nice. Next page and the very top is your turn to chop. Remember, to chop those blends apart. So the adult says flip, and you chop.
Flip.
Very good. And next up, we have the end of the word, and we are going to add the beginning sound. And all of these, it has an L as the second letter, so it's going to make an O blend. So lant.
Plant. Sorry.
That's all. So I'll say lant, you say lant, and then I'll tell you what to add. Lant,
Plant.
add
Plant.
plant. Make sure it's not pant. Make sure it's a pull. It's an L blend. Next up, you're going to do the exact opposite, and it's still going to have those L blends, so you got to really think carefully. Blonde, you say,
Blonde.
without B.
Blonde.
Blonde. Got to make sure that L is there still. A little tricky. And the very last one is my favorite. We get to substitute or change. So I say low, you say,
Low.
and then change ol to sul.
Slow.
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 Change sul to sh.
Show.
Show. And that's it for the week, guys. If you have any questions, let us know. And that, have an awesome week.